I'm Martika Jenkins with Dwell360, and welcome to 346 Elm Street West here in Raynham, Massachusetts. I can't wait to show you this wonderful home. Welcome inside this spacious 3-bedroom home. This home is single-level living at its finest, and I can't wait to show you the pool in the back and the expansive finished lower level. Now come with me and I'll show you out to the pool. Take a look at this amazing lower level with plenty of additional living areas and bar. But wait, there's more. Take a look at this. We have this awesome gaming area as well that's perfect for entertaining. Thank you for joining me today on this tour. I'm Martika Jenkins with Dwell360, and please feel free to reach out with any questions or to schedule a tour.